We propose a novel multimodal mechanism which is capable of grasping, passive perching, and adaptive landing. It can perform a power and pinch grasp on a variety of objects. It is shown here to perch on a PVC pipe due to its own weight. GPALM can keep the drone chassis leveled when landing on incline. We synthesize this mechanism by optimizing link lengths for higher output fingertip force and larger workspace. The mission begins by pilot flying the drone towards the object that has to be grasped. When hovering over the object, drone is gently lowered to allow the object to be positioned within the grasping workspace like this. An actuation command is sent by the pilot which closes the fingers, securing a grasp of the payload. Now, to drop the payload to the target, drone is lowered and an actuation command opens the fingers. Like this. In this lab demo of perching, notice how fingers hold onto the pipe due to drone's weight, and fingers open when this weight is lifted. In the field trials for perching, drone is brought over to the support structure. Once aligned, the thrust is reduced to make contact by a perching plate, which drives the fingers passively. Here, as the drone approaches the inclined landing surface, the finger on the lower side of the incline is actuated inwards to a predetermined value. Upon landing, notice how the drone frame remains parallel to the ground, thus adapting to the inclination.